Hello, I'm Dipali. So today I'm going to talk about Theory of Relativity. So what it is? In 1905, Albert Einstein determined that the laws of physics are the same for all non-accelerating observers and that the speed of light in a vacuum was independent of the motion of all observers. This was the theory of special relativity. It introduced a new framework for all of physics and proposed new concepts of space and time. Einstein's work was heavily influenced by two of the most iconic physicists of all the time, Newton and James Clerk Maxwell. Newton's law insisted that the velocities are never absolute, but always relative. For instance, a car travels at 40 km per hour with respect to someone at rest. However, it only travels 20 km per hour with respect to a car traveling at the same speed in the same direction. On the other hand, Maxwell found that the speed of light is fixed, that is 3 into 10 raised power 8 meter per second, regardless who observes it. Maxwell's notion seems incompatible with Newton's notion of relative velocity. If Newton's laws are truly universal, why should the speed of light be an exception? This conflict can be demonstrated by another brilliant Einstein experiment. Einstein imagined himself on a train platform witnessing two lightning bolts strike on either side of him. Now, because Einstein stands in middle of the two strikes, he receives the resulting beam of light from both the sides at the same time. However, things get more complicated when someone on a train moving with the speed of light views this event. He did not receive the light at the same time. Logically, the light closer to the man on the train would reach him first because he was moving towards one and away from the other. Einstein realized that the two notions could coexist with the small changes in Newton's law. To get rid of the variation in the measurements, Einstein suggests that the time itself for the man on the train must slow down to compensate for the decrease in speed such that magnitude remains constant. So, he concluded that the time is not absolute, in fact is different for different observers. Einstein called this absurdity time dilation and his newfound theory special relativity. There's a fact, people usually think that the Einstein got Nobel Prize for this theory, but no, he got it for the law of photoelectric effect.